Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you guys how you can create this nail art design which I created specially for Rose Day. Now I know there's still 7 days left for Rose Day, but I want you guys to watch this tutorial and learn it and create it by yourself on that very day. For that you guys need at least 2 to 3 days. So that's why I'm posting it right now. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So let's get started. So at first, I'm mixing red and white paint to create a baby pink color. Now for that, I'm taking less amount of red paint and more amount of white so that it is more of whitish than of pinkish. Now first I've applied 2 coats of white nail polish on all my nails and I've let it dry. Next I'm using thin bristle brush and that baby pink paint which I created just now and making some stripes on my nails. Now first I'm making the stripes from left to right, then from right to left, and this will ultimately form into a pattern like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my other nails. Next I'm mixing some more amount of water to the red paint to make it more liquidy, and I'm using a thick bristle brush to make the roses. Now when you are making the roses, make sure that the red paint is way more liquidy so that you have much more time to create the roses and it doesn't get dry easily. Next I'm using that same baby pink paint on a thin bristle brush and I'm creating the rose. Now this is the reason why I told you guys to make sure that the red paint is way more liquidy so that you can easily create the roses using that baby pink color. By the way, the nail art brush which I'm using in this video is from Beauty Big Bang, and if you guys are interested in buying it, then check the description of this video where there will be direct link of it, and also you can use my code AURA10 to get 10% off on all the products you buy from Beauty Big Bang.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living me dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah.
Now next I'm using green paint to create the leaves.
Eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways.
Now after completing the full design, this is how it looks. Next I'm using Lakme matte top coat and I will apply it on all my nails. Now if you guys want, you can use glossy top coat, but I want it to be matte, so I'm using a matte top coat. So this is the final design. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below whether you guys like it or not, and please make sure you don't forget to subscribe because there's still many videos upcoming for the Valentine's week. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.